Welcome home. We are home. We're back home in Minnesota. Uh, got my two puppies from a breeder down in Florida. Yeah, so it will be their first time here, and we'll see how they adjust to it though. Welcome home, guys. So I got them two collars. The blue one is for the girl, and the red one is for the boy. I also got them a little toy for them to play with, to kind of keep them stay active and work out. Both puppies are looking great. They're acting great. Very healthy. Very playful. Mayday and Machobuck blood. The way they are bred are on top is a son of Macho Bear to a daughter of Lil John, and then on the bottom is Macho King to a daughter of Macho Bear. So a lot of Macho Bear blood, heavy Macho Bear stuff. Very promising. Having high hopes for these two, as they are a brother sister. The sister will probably go to my partner, and then I'm keeping the male. But both are going into our breeding program. Ow. yeah, I haven't come up with any names yet for my puppies. Maybe you guys can kind of help me. Maybe write down in the section below, in the comment section, to see what are some of the good names to name your puppies. One is a boy and one is a girl. So any suggestion will help. I will probably name them within a week from now and send in the papers to the ABDA. Let me know, guys.